Alright, here it goes. Car's been sitting for 17 years. Go for it, man. Are you videoing too? Oh, battery's dead. Okay, scratch that idea. Okay. Try it again. Okay. Checking for injector pulse. Looks like it's got injector pulse. May have bad injectors. Alright, so I got a tool to test the injector pulse. This basically tests the injector. See the little red light blinking, and there's no sound and no clicking out of the injector, so most likely it's going to need all the injectors. Okay, gonna flush the system. Oh yeah, pretty nasty. Starting to get clear. Hoping to have it all flushed out by the end of the day today. Charging the AC. Blowing nice and cold. It's getting close to being ready to go. Found this today.
Lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on.
The original instrument cluster. As you can see, I had to take it all apart to transfer the odometer. This is the one off of the replacement unit. Here's some of the dash parts, the instrument cluster parts. I went ahead and used the better of the two, cleaner, nicer. This one's pretty scratched up. Got the new replacement dash in. It works now, but the fuel gauge doesn't show what the level is. So it might have a bad fuel sending in it, in the gas tank. So I got it cleaned up. sanded it and polished it with some metal polish, so looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll fix the sending unit on the gauge. Got the fuel sending unit back in. Got the key in the ignition. And the fuel gauge works. About to take the Spartan for a drive, make sure everything's working properly. I did figure out that the heater or the defrost has a bypass function right here, and it starts to blow air out, and it's pretty warm, so I thought that was kind of cool. And it's got another little button right there. I'm not sure what that one does. I think it's for some kind of adjustment. So anyway, about to take it for a cruise. I'll keep you posted.